Hey traders, it's Rachel here with you today for your option of the day for Friday, April 14th. So for today's trade, we're looking at a bull put spread in cloud computing stock Dynatrace. Taking a look at the stock on MarketSmith, Dynatrace has been trading sideways for much of 2022 as it was a tough year for many tech stocks. The firm's earnings growth slowed to 13% for several quarters, but in the two most recent quarters, growth started to pick up again, showing a 39% year-over-year increase in the December-ended quarter. Shares popped nearly 16% following the early February report, which exceeded analyst expectations. The stock then pulled back to form a new base with a 48.10 buy point. Shares remain 12% below this entry now, but could be forming an early entry near recent highs. Analysts expect year-over-year earnings growth of 29% in 2023, followed by growth of 11% in 2024. Today, we're looking at a bullish trade known as a bull put spread to take advantage of the potential upward momentum in the stock. The bull put spread is a risk-defined way of getting long. It's one of the four basic vertical spreads you can put on using options and involves selling one put and buying a lower strike put. The goal is for the stock price to stay above the higher strike price to keep the full premium. If the stock price is below both strikes, the maximum loss will be realized. So let's take a look at my trading dashboard and set up a trade in Dynatrace. Using the June 16th expiration, we can sell a 40 strike put and buy a 35 strike put to set up the bull put spread. In total, the spread will generate around $125 in premium with a maximum risk of $375. The break-even point for the trade is $38.75, which is calculated by taking the strike of 40 and subtracting the option premium per spread. The maximum loss would occur if Dynatrace closes below 35 on June 16th, which would see the premium seller lose $375 on this trade. With the break-even being around $38.75, this trade lines up with the 200-day moving average support level for Dynatrace, also around 38. Shares also recently found support at this level back in March. So ideally from here, we'd like to see the stock move within the overall range of support into the expiration week. In this case, we'd collect at least a partial profit on the trade and the full $125 if the stock stays at 40 or higher. As always, remember that if you're new to options, make sure you practice with a virtual account before risking any real money. And remember that options are complex and investors can lose 100% or more of their investment in some cases. Check out the new Options Trader app from IBD for digestible options education and tons of great trade ideas. And be sure to join us for our regular options content where we break down a new trade idea every day.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.